Okay, now let's create two poodles that are kissing together. So we need two balloons here. The shorter one, just like this. To make it more shorter, we need to remove some excess air. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so we have shorter balloon for the poodle. Do the same thing here also. Okay, so we have two balloons here that are same size and length. Okay, now first things first, create the mouth. Create 3 1-inch bubbles here for the head. Just like that. Now put it together as a loop, and this is the head automatically. Now create a 1-inch for the neck, 2-inch for the first legs of our poodle. Create 1-inch, another 1-inch bubble, 2-inch, just like this, and 2-inch for the body, 2-inch for the legs, 1-inch bubble, another 1-inch bubble, and lastly 2-inch bubble. So we have the tail here, and this is the poodle. Now let's create the same thing. 2-inch bubble. Let's create 3 1-inch bubble like we did earlier, and put it together as a loop. So this is the head. Now create 1-inch bubble for the neck, 2-inch bubble for the front legs, another 1-inch bubble for the part of our front legs, another 1-inch bubble also, 2-inch bubble. Okay, put it together. This is the front legs of our poodle. Now create 2-inch for the body, 2-inch bubble, another 2-inch bubble, 1-inch bubble here, and one more 1-inch bubble here, another 2-inch bubble here. Put it together so we have the last legs. Okay, now create the poodle tail. Now let's tie this nostril so that it will emphasize that they are kissing. That's it. Okay, now, so obviously they are kissing. Now we're not done here. This time, put it these two legs of these two poodles by twisting this part. Okay, go something like this. And that's it. Put it together also. This one, put it together just like this. Now, two poodles that are kissing with a heart. That's it.